For nearly 2 decades, the 5-0L Coyote V8 has been the heart of the modern Mustang GT. Since returning in 2011, it has continuously evolved, becoming more powerful, refined, and technologically advanced with each generation. Now, however, growing insider reports suggest Ford may be preparing something far bigger than a routine update. According to multiple engineering leaks, supplier activity, and early development rumors, the company is reportedly working on an entirely new 5.0L engine for the 2027 Mustang GT. This is believed to be far more than another revision of the current Coyote platform. The information circulating points toward a complete redesign, a total reset of the engine architecture. Some insiders are even describing it as the true replacement for the Coyote, rather than simply the next generation of it. That naturally raises a major question. Is the legendary Coyote V8 finally nearing the end of its lifespan? And if so, what exactly does Ford have planned next for Mustang performance? To understand why this matters, it helps to look at where the current engine stands. The latest generation Coyote already pushes the limits of naturally aspirated V8 performance, producing up to 500 horsepower with advanced fuel systems and upgraded internals. It is widely considered one of the best naturally aspirated V8 engines ever built. But according to engineers familiar with the project, the current architecture has nearly reached its ceiling. One insider reportedly explained that while the engine can still be improved, the basic platform can no longer be fundamentally transformed. That is the central challenge. Although the engine has received numerous upgrades over the years, the original foundation dates back more than a decade. Modern performance requirements demand better cooling systems, stronger materials, improved airflow, and stricter efficiency standards. Engineers say there is only so much they can continue to achieve using the current structure. At the same time, rival performance engines are advancing rapidly. Competition across the industry continues to intensify, and Ford cannot afford to fall behind with a vehicle as important as the Mustang. That is why this rumored new 5.0L engine could be such a significant development. So what might this new engine actually look like? While Ford has not officially confirmed anything, insiders and industry analysts point to several realistic possibilities based on current engineering trends. The most likely scenario is a completely new V8 architecture designed from the ground up. That would include a new engine block, redesigned cylinder heads, and entirely updated internal components. Engineers are reportedly experimenting with stronger aluminum construction, improved cooling systems, lighter rotating assemblies, and more efficient combustion methods. The objective is not simply to produce more horsepower, but to create a smarter, more adaptable engine platform for the future. A clean sheet design would also allow Ford to completely rethink airflow management. That could involve new intake and exhaust designs, revised valve geometry, and more efficient combustion chamber layouts. Together, these improvements could deliver stronger performance, better efficiency, and greater upgrade potential down the road. There are also reports suggesting Ford is exploring advanced casting techniques to reduce overall weight while increasing structural strength, something that would benefit both durability and performance. Another theory being discussed involves adapting technology from Ford's larger truck engines, such as the 6, 8L, and 7, 3L platforms, and scaling it into a smaller 5.0L configuration. This could potentially lead to a pushrod-style V8 focused on strong, low-end torque and compact packaging. However, most experts believe this is unlikely for the Mustang GT because the car's identity is strongly connected to high-revving dual overhead cam performance. A third possibility is a heavily reworked version of the existing engine, essentially a fifth-generation Coyote. This approach would likely include stronger components, improved airflow, and updated internals. Still, many engineers believe that would only serve as a temporary solution since the current platform is already close to its maximum potential. In the long term, a full redesign appears to make more sense. There is also increasing discussion surrounding forced induction. Some reports claim Ford has been testing twin-turbocharged V8 setups for years. While the standard Mustang GT will likely remain naturally aspirated in order to preserve its character, turbocharged variants could appear in future high-performance models. That strategy would allow Ford to expand the Mustang lineup while still protecting its traditional identity. As for performance expectations, insiders suggest the next Mustang GT could start with more than 500 horsepower as its baseline output rather than reserving those numbers for special editions. Engineers are also reportedly targeting stronger mid-range torque, higher rev capability, and improved thermal stability during aggressive driving conditions. For comparison, today's Mustang GT sits just below that threshold, while higher trims push slightly beyond it. A completely new 5.0L platform would make those performance targets much easier to achieve consistently across the lineup. In today's competitive performance market, those figures matter more than ever. Timing also supports these rumors. Ford traditionally updates major engine architectures on long development cycles, and the timeline lines up closely with the Mustang's expected mid-cycle refresh around 2027. That would make it the perfect opportunity to introduce a major new powertrain. Reports of supplier movement and prototype activity further reinforce that possibility. Still, beyond the numbers and engineering details, there is one thing Ford cannot lose: the feeling that defines the Mustang experience. Analysts believe the company understands how important instant throttle response, linear power delivery, high rev excitement, and the unmistakable sound of a V8 are to enthusiasts. Even as the automotive industry continues moving toward electrification, many experts believe this new engine is intended to keep the Mustang's V8 tradition alive well into the next decade. Demand for V8 powered performance cars remains strong, and the Mustang's identity is deeply tied to that formula. For enthusiasts, this could represent a major turning point. A stronger and more advanced engine platform would create new opportunities for tuning, more reliable, high-performance builds, and fresh innovation throughout the aftermarket world. If these reports ultimately prove accurate, this would not simply be another Mustang update. It could mark the beginning of an entirely new era for the Mustang GT and the true successor to the iconic Coyote V8. Timing also adds credibility to the rumors. Ford historically updates major engine platforms over long development cycles, and the Mustang is expected to receive an important refresh around 2027. Introducing an all-new engine during that window would fit perfectly with the company's usual strategy. Reports of supplier changes and early prototype testing only add more fuel to the speculation. Beyond engineering, however, Ford faces another challenge: preserving the emotional connection enthusiasts have with the Mustang GT. Numbers alone are not enough. Mustang owners care deeply about the way the car sounds, feels, and responds. Instant throttle response, high revving excitement, linear acceleration, and the unmistakable roar of a naturally aspirated V8 are all essential parts of the experience. That is why many analysts believe Ford will be extremely careful about how it evolves the Mustang's formula. Even as the automotive industry shifts toward hybrid systems and electrification, the Mustang still represents one of the last major symbols of traditional American V8 performance. Ford understands how important that identity remains to its customer base. In many ways, this rumored engine could represent the future survival of the V8 Mustang itself. If Ford can successfully develop a more advanced, cleaner, and more efficient V8 platform, it could keep the Mustang competitive for another decade, despite tightening regulations and changing market trends.